31 जानेराक रातच्या वेळार सूर्य, पृथ्वी आणि चंद्र एकाच वेळार एके रांकेत येतले आणि हे आख्ख्या संवसाराक वांगडाच पळोवपाक मेळटले। हाचे पयलीं 150 वर्सां आदीं अशें घडिल्लें आणि 150 वर्सां उपरांत हाचो अणभव आमकां घेवपाक मेळटा। चंद्राचो रंग तांबडो जाल्ले भशेन जातलो आणि हे पळोवपाचो अणभव तुमी घेवचो परत अशें केन्ना जातले हो एक प्रश्न आसा। आरडीएक्स खातीर जॉन डिसिल्वा।
So guys, we are supposed to witness a very great and very rare phenomenon this year, and that is on 31st of January 2018, and that is going to be witnessed by the whole world after almost 150 years. That is from 1866, and now in this 2018 we are supposed to witness a lunar eclipse, blue moon and a super moon all after 4:21 p.m. that is to be witnessed by the whole world at the same time. And this phenomenon is also, we are able to view it with our bare eyes, which has been declared to be a safer eclipse as per the organizations. And apart from that, Tamil Nadu government has also taken an initiative to have telescopic view of this event at the Chennai, and then Kerala. In Kerala also they have taken initiative to promote this event, and also Bangalore Science Society has taken an initiative to make a documentary on the respective eclipse that is supposed to be going to be happening on 31st of Jan 2018. So almost you all have a great opportunity to have such a great experience out there. So it's a very safe experience, so you can go with your family and all, everyone and just hang out and have such a great view at the beach, your terrace, or at your home where you can have this view on your television set itself. So please take an opportunity and just go for it. और ये opportunity आपको 150 साल बाद मिली है, तो इस कृपया करके इसका फ़ायदा उठाएं, क्योंकि इसके बाद वो कब मिले ये हम नहीं जाने। तो प्लीज़ मैं कहता हूँ कि ये जो है सेफ़ है, और इस जो एक्लिप्स को आप देखोगे तो इसमें आपको सूरज, चंदा और अपना धरती, ये तीनों एक ही समान एक ही लाइन में मिलेंगे। तो ये मौका बहुत ही कम लोगों को देखने मिलता है, और इसमें आपको जो धरती, जो चांद का रंग है वो एकदम लाल मिलेगा, जिसे ब्लड मून भी आप बोल सकते हो, वो उस तरह का कलर का होगा।